In order for you to enjoy your Amala, your Omi-Obe has to be on point. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Omi-Obe for your Amala. These are the ingredients you need to make your Omi-Obe. These are your offals and your goat's meat. Then I'm using dried onion. I'm also using red oil, bay leaves. Then this is our pepper mixture. That's our pepper, cayenne pepper, tomato, our tatashe, and our onion. This is the combination, the quantity you need. Then our seasoning and salt with Maggi. So in the pot we're just going to add our goat meat and our offals. Then I'm going to use our dried onion and also add our meat seasoning and our seasoning itself, then with our Maggi and a little bit of salt to taste. Then we're just going to mix this until it releases some water from itself. So we're just going to cover this between 2 to 3 minutes, and after that this is what we have. So I'm just going to mix together again and also add water. This water is just going to make it get cooked properly without getting burnt until it is very soft. At this stage, I'm just trying to make sure everything is properly seated inside the pot. So I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil until it is cooked. And this took between 25 to 28 minutes. And my beef, that's my protein, is ready. That's my goat's meat is ready. So time for us to start making our Omi-Obe. So in the pot, you're just going to add red oil. Allow it to bring to it up a bit, and this took between 1 minute to seconds. I just added our dried onion, then I blended our pepper mixture until it is very smooth, and then I'm just going to add it to it just like this. And after that I'm just going to add our bay leaves to it and then mix together. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook. This took between 10 to 13 minutes and our pepper mixture is ready. So we're just going to mix up together, and mind you, I don't want our Omi-Obe to thick, so I'm just going to add our protein to it. So we're just going to mix this together and then add our other seasoning to it. Added a little bit of salt and also our seasoning cube. Mind you, the seasoning cube is very hard, so I added more seasoning without recording because it's hard. So I'm just going to mix together. And then cover it and allow it to get cooked for another 5 to 7 minutes. And after that, this is what we have. Our Omi-Obe is ready. All we have to do is just serve. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.